What if your security camera could actually watch your home like a real owl? Today, I'm using the Ulo Owl 2.0 wireless security camera, a unique Amazon gadget that combines smart security with an adorable design. Shaped like a cute owl, this wireless camera keeps an eye on your home while blending perfectly into your space. The animated eyes react to movement, sleep when nothing is happening, and wake up when activity is detected. It records clear video, sends alerts to your phone, and lets you monitor your home anytime, anywhere. Setup is simple and completely wireless. If you want security that's smart, stylish, and fun, the Ulo Owl 2.0 is truly one of a kind. What if one tiny charger could power all your devices faster and smarter? Today, I'm using the EGV charger, a compact Amazon gadget designed to make charging simple, fast, and reliable. This powerful charger delivers efficient power to your smartphone, tablet, or other devices without overheating or slowing down. The smart charging technology automatically detects your device and provides the optimal power for safe and fast charging every time. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel, office desks, or everyday use at home. Just plug it in and your devices start charging instantly with stable performance. If you want a charger that's powerful, portable, and dependable, the EGV charger is definitely worth checking out. What if you could slice, shred, and prep your entire salad in seconds? Today I'm using the Presto Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder, a super handy Amazon kitchen gadget that makes food prep incredibly fast and effortless. This compact electric slicer instantly shreds cheese, slices vegetables, and prepares fresh salads in just seconds. Simply load your ingredients, press the button, and watch it shoot perfectly sliced or shredded food directly into your bowl. No complicated setup, no messy cutting boards. The interchangeable cones give you multiple slicing styles, making it perfect for salads, tacos, pizzas, and more. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and saves tons of time in the kitchen. If you love quick, fresh meals, this gadget is a real game changer. What if you could zoom in on distant views with crystal clear detail using just one hand? Today, I'm using a compact monocular telescope, a powerful yet portable Amazon gadget built for explorers, travelers, and outdoor lovers. This small device delivers impressive magnification, letting you see distant landscapes, wildlife, or stadium action with sharp clarity. The high-quality lens improves brightness and detail even in challenging lighting conditions. Its lightweight, pocket-sized design makes it perfect for hiking, camping, birdwatching, or sporting events. Just adjust the focus ring and instantly bring faraway objects closer. Durable, easy to use, and incredibly portable, this monocular telescope is a simple gadget that makes every adventure feel bigger and more exciting. What if your glasses could actually think and help you in real time? Today, I'm using AI smart glasses, one of the most futuristic Amazon gadgets I've seen. These smart glasses combine sleek design with powerful AI features to make everyday life smarter and easier. With built-in speakers, voice control, and smart connectivity, you can take calls, listen to music, capture moments, and even access helpful information right from your glasses. Just speak a command and the AI responds instantly, keeping your hands free while you stay connected. They're lightweight, stylish, and surprisingly powerful. If you love technology that feels straight out of the future, AI smart glasses are a seriously impressive gadget to try.
What if a tiny ring on your finger could track your health 24/7? Today, I'm using the RingConn Gen 2 Smart Ring, a powerful Amazon gadget designed for smart health tracking in a sleek, minimalist form. This smart ring monitors your sleep, heart rate, activity levels, and overall wellness all day and night. The advanced sensors collect accurate data, while the companion app turns it into easy-to-understand insights that help you improve your health. Despite its small size, it's comfortable, durable, and built for continuous wear. No bulky watch, no distractions, just powerful health tracking right on your finger. If you want smart wellness technology that's simple, stylish, and effective, RingConn Gen 2 is seriously impressive.
Overheating phone? Not anymore. Today, I'm using this phone cooler from Amazon, and it's a game changer for mobile gamers and heavy users. Designed to instantly reduce device temperature, it keeps your phone running smooth and lag-free even during intense gaming sessions or long video recordings. The powerful cooling fan works fast, while the compact clip-on design makes it easy to attach and remove. It's lightweight, quiet, and built for performance. No more frame drops, no more heat warnings, just stable, consistent power when you need it most. If you're serious about performance, this phone cooler is a smart and reliable upgrade.
What if you could engrave your own designs on wood, metal, or leather in seconds? Today I'm using the Laser Pecker LX2 laser engraver, an incredible Amazon gadget designed for creators and DIY enthusiasts. This compact laser engraver lets you turn ordinary items into personalized masterpieces. Using a powerful precision laser, it can engrave designs, logos, or text onto materials like wood, leather, metal, plastic, and more. Just connect it to your smartphone or computer, choose your design, and the LX2 does the rest with impressive accuracy. Its portable design means you can create almost anywhere. If you love custom creations or want to start a small crafting business, the Laser Pecker LX2 is seriously powerful.